What's going on, guys? It's Jay and welcome back. Today, I got something a little illegal, I think. I just ordered it just came in my Cobra RAD 450. Let me get out the package here so we can actually, what is this? I don't know what that is. We don't need that shit. Let me get it out so we can actually look at it. I just got my Cobra RAD 450. It's pretty clean. This is nice. This is a nice radar. I see you. Okay. Yeah, I just ordered this on Amazon. I think it was like $150, but it was on sale. It was like $130 to like 2 days ago when I ordered it. So I was like, shoot. I was looking at picking it up anyway, but when I saw it was on sale, I just went ahead and snagged it while it was on sale. But it was like, it's like, I've looked at it, it's got all the stuff. It's got like laser detection, and it's got the thing where like the cops can't pick you up if you're using one of these things. It's got that. It's got a nice screen on it, which is what I like. You can't see it because it's not on, but it has a nice like OLED screen, and it just looked like it was pretty clean. And I watched videos people use it, and it picks up pretty far. Like, this guy was driving and it was picking up the police signal like a good 3 miles away. So I was like, that's plenty for me. I live in a small town anyway, so 3 miles is it's gonna be pretty overkill, to be honest, but oh well. But what the fuck? Hold on, let me see how this works. Does this like slide in here? Okay, I guess that's... So what's this 3M? They give you some 3M tape. I'm not sure what it's for. Oh, that's Velcro. I'm not sure what the Velcro's for. Okay, but anyway, I guess this is it. You just like stick it somewhere. So why does it's not like lean, it's leaning funny. Oh shit, I'm fucking stuff up. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, you're supposed to like shove it in there. Pause. I'm already getting it fucking dirty. Alright, let me see. I wanted to like, let me get my camera. I wanted to mount it like right here, like I wanted to get it like right up in here, but like that's not gonna work. So I guess we're gonna have to just put it like right. That's not gonna work either. Like it has rear detection, so if I have it here, it's gonna like, that's not gonna work. I don't even know if that, I don't know if that's gonna work. Will that work? It's not like, it's not straight on, but it's like, it's up high. I don't know. I don't know what that does either. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in and let's get this thing working. I hope it's just oh shit. If I do it like this, it's gonna be like a giant cord running in front of my mirror. What's that micro USB for? Is that like a charging slot or some shit? I think I'm gonna move it. I don't know. I mean, I like that spot. It looks good and it's hidden up there, but I don't know. It's like, this cord's gonna be like right in the middle of my like rearview mirror. Let's just test it and see. Oh shit, fucking the camera. I don't know why they gave me Velcro strips. Like, that shit goes like right in front. I mean, that's something I guess you can get used to maybe, but let's give the car some power. It's doing something. sure what it's doing. Is that Wi-Fi? It has Wi-Fi? I guess it's scanning. Hold on, let me pop this thing off. How do I get it out of there? Hold on, wait. Okay, just slide it out. Alright, sensitivity medium, low, high.
System ready.
Okay. So that's it pretty much. You pretty much just plug it in and that's it. Like it's ready to go. It just says system ready. So I imagine all you do is I just slide it back in this little holder thing and just set it right. I mean that looks pretty bad though. I don't like that. It literally is just like hanging right in front of my. It's like just dangling in the middle of my. I'm just driving. Just look, it's like a giant cord hanging in my car. Maybe if I wrap it around this way. And that doesn't look as bad coming from like in my mirror standpoint, but it's still just like, oh my god, look at all this mess. I'm gonna need that zip tie back. Anyways, guys, that was just a quick little video of me installing my Cobra RAD 450. I'll get some videos later of me driving and testing it and seeing how it works, but I'm probably not going anywhere right now. I just got home from work, so probably gonna go inside and chill for a little bit. Anyways, I'll leave the link down in the description as usual if you want to pick this up yourself. As always, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.